Have you ever wondered if we could live on Mars in the future? Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has long captured our collective imaginations. Shrouded in a veil of mystery and allure, it stands as a beacon in our night sky, sparking intrigue and fascination. Its crimson hue, earning it the title the Red Planet, has been the subject of countless stories and legends throughout history, from ancient civilizations associating it with their gods of war, to modern-day science fiction painting it as the next frontier for humanity. This fascination with Mars is not merely confined to mythology and fiction. It has permeated popular culture, appearing in films, books, and even video games, captivating audiences of all ages. Its allure is not just about its striking appearance or its proximity to Earth. Rather, it's about the tantalizing possibility that Mars could, one day, be a second home for us, humans. But why Mars, you may ask? What makes this distant, seemingly hostile world such an enticing prospect for colonization? The answer lies in its similarities with Earth. Mars has a day length and seasons comparable to ours, and evidence suggests it once had running water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Additionally, its gravity, although only about a third of Earth's, is sufficient to prevent the health problems associated with weightlessness. However, it is not just the physical characteristics of Mars that make it an attractive candidate for colonization. It's also the symbolic significance of such an endeavor. Colonizing Mars would represent a giant leap for mankind, a testament to our spirit of exploration and our ability to push the boundaries of what is possible. But this is not a journey we can embark on lightly. It's a challenging endeavor that will require advances in technology, a deeper understanding of Mars and its environment, and a willingness to face the unknown. Now let's journey through the history of space exploration and how it led us to the possibilities of colonizing Mars. The road to Mars began with our first steps into the cosmos. It was a journey ignited by human curiosity, a yearning to understand the universe that surrounds us. We started by looking up at the night sky, wondering what secrets were hidden among the stars. Our first significant leap came in the mid-20th century with the space race. It was a time of fierce competition and unparalleled innovation. The United States and the Soviet Union, two superpowers, vied to be the first to conquer the cosmos. The Soviets took an early lead with Yuri Gagarin, the first human to orbit Earth, but the United States quickly caught up, culminating in the Apollo missions that took us to the moon, a monumental achievement that forever changed our perspective of our place in the universe. In the decades that followed, space exploration became less of a competition and more of a collaborative effort. International partnerships were formed, leading to the creation of the International Space Station, a beacon of global cooperation orbiting our planet. This shift in perspective allowed us to achieve greater things, to reach farther into the cosmos. From the moon, our sights turned to Mars. NASA, the American Space Agency, has been at the forefront of Mars exploration, sending a series of rovers to the Red Planet. These rovers, like Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, have been our eyes and ears on Mars, providing invaluable data about its geology, atmosphere, and potential for life. In recent years, private companies have also joined the race to Mars. SpaceX, led by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, has made it a goal to not just visit Mars, but to colonize it. With its reusable rockets and ambitious plans, SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Our journey to Mars is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. As our technology has advanced, so has our ambition. We've come a long way from looking up at the stars to standing on the moon and sending rovers to Mars. And now, we're on the cusp of a new era, an era where Mars could become our second home. As we have advanced, so has our vision of making Mars a second home. However, colonizing Mars is not without its challenges. The Red Planet, while fascinating, is a harsh and hostile environment. It is a world of extreme temperatures, with the average daily temperature hovering around a frigid -80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than Antarctica in the winter. Not to mention, Mars is also home to the largest dust storms in the solar system, capable of covering the entire planet and lasting for months. These dust storms would not only pose a threat to human life, but also to the essential equipment that would sustain a colony. Another formidable hurdle is radiation. Without a protective magnetic field like Earth's, Mars is exposed to high levels of cosmic radiation. This radiation can damage DNA, increasing the risk of cancer and other health problems for anyone living there. Future Mars dwellers will need to find a way to shield themselves from this harmful radiation, whether by building underground or developing advanced protective technology. Then there's the psychological challenge. Colonizing Mars isn't just a physical endeavor, it's a mental one as well. Imagine being confined to a small habitat, millions of miles from Earth, with the same handful of people for years on end. The isolation and monotony could take a toll on the mental health of even the most resilient astronauts. And let's not forget about the logistical challenges. Transporting the necessary supplies and equipment to establish a self-sustaining colony is a monumental task. The cost would be astronomical, and the time taken to transport materials between Earth and Mars could be up to 9 months. This means that a Mars colony would need to be largely self-sufficient, capable of producing food, water, and oxygen on a world that is currently devoid of all three. Despite these challenges, the dream of living on Mars persists. As we continue to push the boundaries of human exploration, the obstacles we face only serve to fuel our determination. The road to Mars may be fraught with difficulty, but the potential rewards make it a journey worth undertaking. So, what does the future hold for Mars colonization? Well, let's dive into the ambitious plans and groundbreaking missions that will pave the way for our life on the Red Planet. Two of the major players in this cosmic drama are NASA and SpaceX, each with their unique approach and vision for Mars colonization. NASA's strategy is rooted in a phased approach. Their Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by the mid-2020s, using it as a proving ground for technologies and systems required for a future Mars mission. The lessons learned from the Artemis program will directly feed into NASA's Mars mission, set to launch in the late 2030s. This mission will be a round trip, collecting invaluable data for the eventual goal of a sustainable human presence on Mars. On the other hand, SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, is pursuing a bolder course. Their Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft currently under development, is intended to carry up to 100 people to the Red Planet. Musk's timeline is aggressive. He aims to land Starship on Mars as early as the mid-2020s, with the goal of establishing a self-sustaining colony by the year 2050. While these plans may seem audacious, it's worth noting that the tech and resources for such missions are being developed and tested as we speak. From advanced propulsion systems to innovative habitat designs, from life support systems to strategies for producing food and water on Mars, the pieces of the puzzle are slowly coming together. So, as we stand on the brink of a new era, it's clear that our dream of colonizing Mars is more than just a sci-fi fantasy. It's a tangible goal that we're steadily working towards, fueled by human curiosity, ambition, and the indomitable spirit of exploration. The dream of living on Mars may soon be a reality. Imagine a world where humans live not just on Earth, but also on Mars. This isn't just a pipe dream or a storyline from a science fiction novel. It's a possibility that scientists and astronauts are diligently working towards, and it's closer to reality than you might think. What does this mean for us? And how could this change our world as we know it? The implications are far-reaching and incredibly diverse. Let's delve into the scientific, technological, and societal impacts that colonizing Mars could have. From a scientific perspective, colonizing Mars would be an unprecedented achievement. It would provide us with valuable insights into the origins of our solar system, the existence of life beyond Earth, and the potential for humans to survive in environments unlike any we've ever known. Imagine the wealth of knowledge we could gain from studying Mars up close and personal, from its geological makeup to its atmospheric conditions. Technologically, the journey to Mars would necessitate a leap forward. We would need to develop advanced life support systems, sustainable energy sources, and efficient transportation methods. This could lead to breakthroughs that would not only benefit our Martian settlers, but also have significant implications back here on Earth. Think renewable energy, waste recycling, and resource conservation. Societally, colonizing Mars would redefine our understanding of what it means to be a global, or rather, a universal community. It would challenge us to rethink our laws, ethics, and societal norms. How would we govern a Martian society? How would we ensure equality and justice millions of miles away from Earth? These are questions that we would need to grapple with, pushing us to evolve as a species. The future of Mars colonization is as vast and infinite as the cosmos itself. It's a journey filled with challenges and uncertainties, but also boundless opportunities and possibilities. It's a step towards a future where humans are not just Earthlings, but citizens of the cosmos, ready to explore and conquer new frontiers. From the wonder of Mars to the realities of space colonization, we have embarked on a thrilling journey. As we've delved into the mysteries of the Red Planet, we've discovered a world that is both fascinating and formidable, a place that could potentially be a new home for mankind. We began by marveling at the unique beauty of Mars, its crimson landscapes and towering peaks, a testament to the diverse wonders of our solar system. But it's not just the allure of this distant world that captivates us. It's the possibility of what it could mean for our future. Our journey continued with the exploration of space, a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. We've reached out into the cosmos, voyaging through the vast expanse, and Mars has emerged as the next frontier. It's a testament to how far we've come and how far we still have to go. We then confronted the challenges of colonizing Mars, a venture that is as daunting as it is exciting. From the harsh Martian environment to the technological hurdles, it's a complex endeavor that requires continued innovation and determination. Yet, as we've learned, these challenges are not insurmountable. They are merely stepping stones on the path to progress. Next, we dared to envision the future of Mars colonization. It's a future where Mars is not just a barren desert, but a thriving, self-sustaining colony. It's a future where the human footprint extends beyond our home planet, a testament to our pioneering spirit. Finally, we explored the implications of this grand endeavor. It's not just about survival, it's about expansion and evolution. It's about understanding our place in the universe and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As we gaze upon the red planet in the night sky, we are not just looking at a distant world, but perhaps our future home. It's a journey that's just beginning, a story that's still being written. And in this grand narrative, we are not merely observers, but active participants. So let's continue to dream, innovate, and reach for the stars.